cordless, it's rechargeable, and my favorite part, it is dishwasher safe.
So let's just do a little quick reintroduction to this. This is the Hurricane Juicer. So really quick before she does another one, this is the Hurricane Juicer. It's a portable juicer. You charge it up and then you can cordlessly take it anywhere you want and then juice away.
It's so easy. You literally just drop the fruit in, push a button, and it does all the work for you. And then you just pour your juice like so, and you've got a delicious, refreshing I mean, I can taste the lemon. I might have went a little lemon heavy on this one. It's cordless, it's rechargeable, and my favorite part, it is dishwasher safe.